What's up with it, y'all? It's your boy Smith. Stay laced up out here with another video. Out here getting fielding this big bad boy up. I'm out here in Kentucky. Here in the Fort Worth, Texas. 2 tanks. There, over here. A spare tire in the back, filling up with water. A rainy, cold day out here. But it's all good. We're still trying to get it. Through the rain, sleet, oil, and snow. Got to get that money. Got to be safe with it too. Landing gears. Drop the trailer down. Woo-wee. Buy me some more gloves. Everybody out here parked, getting their wrists. I don't blame them. Truck still over there. Yep. So head to Fort Worth, Texas. I'll be there tomorrow morning sometime. About 11 o'clock. Latest. But yeah, it's your boy Smith. Stay laced up. Out with another video. Peace.